C'est magnifique. Ah, c'est magnifique. Ah, ça va pas comment c'est dégage. Zobaczymy switch. Actually looks better. Flawless. Magnifique, j'avais des étoiles et tout là. Et c'est pas le ciel étoilé qu'on a dans la Rolls Royce. Non, les bus sont propres, il commence à faire un peu chaud. C'est propre.
C'est un truc de tum-tummy.
Les vents qui sont là, tu l'as acheté?
Parce que comme ça, le tram, je me dis ça.
Je sens rien. Bon, c'est ça, je bouge dedans.
Une 2-4, né?
You're so clever.
Do something.
You can start from terrace, and you have 2 levels can visit.
Colin, here we go. Was it the other way?
Ouais, ils sont d'accord, non.
I think we got the wrong way. So it's not that hot up here this time. Oh look, they've stopped. You could used to put your phone over those little bits there, but they put the grills on now. Dino. There's the infinity pool.
Doesn't look very big, does it?
I don't think anything looks really big.
It's crazy.
Oh look, there's the world over there, David.
Oh yeah. It's not finished.
No, you can see like the round bit and then all the little... That's where your gaming thing is, over there.
Oh, what?
The gaming place we went to.